Perfect, so Tarek's gonna meet us here in a few minutes. He obviously had to... Oh, you're here! Perfect.
Hola.
You beat us somehow. Yeah, that's amazing.
I was worried. I went in. It's like, okay, maybe they changed their mind.
I don't know how that happened. You time traveled. Great.
I call it street cab. I think they know.
Oh, they
They go over the road.
Okay, cool. This is cooking in Ciudad de Mexico.
Well, I'll explain. So this place, from basically all of the volcanic rock wall is one of the original Barragan houses in the neighborhood, and then the stables started about here. And this, after they were the stables, the house was sold to the original family that built the house, kept it, sold the stables to the Queen, which is a furniture company. And then I think it was a cake store after that. So my friend buys a house, brings it back to its original state, and then when the stables become available, he decides to do a restaurant. I don't think he knew what he was going to do at the beginning. He just starts cleaning at that, and
Okay, great, Tarek. Thanks for showing us this amazing, delicious restaurant. We had a lot of fun. We had a little tequila, and we'll probably see you tomorrow for poke.
Yes.
Okay, sounds good.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, of course. Ciao. Enjoy the rest of your day. Okay.